Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hide friends on Facebook. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. So first you need to click your profile picture on the bottom right corner. Then you're gonna click the settings icon on the top right corner. Then under the tools and resources you're gonna click privacy checkup. We're gonna choose the first icon, the who can see what you share, and click that. Now you're gonna click continue, and under the friends and following you will be able to see the who can see your friends list on your profile, and next to that you need to change that from public or from friends to only me. Then you click next 3 times, and basically that's it. Alright, so all in all, this is how you hide your friends on Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, that you can also find in the video description below.